Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Happy New Year's. Today is July 4th. I got that all screwed up. Today is January 4th, 2022. Happy New Year. This my very first key machine. I got it in 2009. That's when I became a locksmith in New Orleans, Louisiana, United States of America. My very first key machine. Went to class for the bell saw. There it is right there, for the bell saw. My very first key machine, y'all. Follow me, follow me. Follow me, y'all, follow me, follow me. Follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me. This my second key machine. I bought it in 2012 in New Orleans, Louisiana. Yes, indeed, United States of America. HPC punch key machine. It get the job did. Look it up. HPC punch key machine. Now we'll go check this one out. I got this one here too. 3D Pro S screen. We'll go check that out. Follow me, come on. Come on, y'all, follow me. Follow me, 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 you all. Follow me, come on. Watch me undress. Here she go. There she go right there. There she go. That's her. That's the 3D Pro S screen from Laser Key Products. It get the job did too. Right now I'm having problem with it connecting to the computer because the computer run it. So I got all kind of other stuff to work with. So y'all see that? Let's go. Let's go. Putting that dress back on. Putting that dress back on. Putting that dress back on. Yes, indeed. Follow me, come on. Come on, you all. Follow me, follow me, follow me. I bought that machine, 3D Pro S screen. I bought the 3D Pro S screen, 2014, New Orleans, Louisiana, United States of America. Here we go. Now I have this machine, which is 2M2 Magic Tank key cutting machine. See right there? 2M2 Magic Tank key cutting machine. Plenty of videos out there. Look it up, see how it works. I got it yesterday in the mail. January 3rd, 2022. I'm gonna crank it up. And let y'all hear it today. peace out for now. Peace out for now.